Picture an F-35 fighter jet, or even a Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Massive, high-tech, millions and millions of dollars. Here's the question. Which one of those? Which one do you think is more complex, purely from a software perspective?
I mean, it feels like a setup, but my gut just screams the jet. It has to be. It flies, it has weapon systems, it has to keep people alive at 30,000 feet. It's got to be the jet.
Now, that is what I thought too, 100%. But here is the statistic that completely, well, it derailed my morning while I was prepping for this. A modern luxury vehicle contains over 100 million lines of code.
100 million.
Yes. And just for context, an F-35 fighter jet, that's about 24 million. A Boeing 787, way less than the car. We're literally driving around in supercomputers that just happen to have wheels.
That's staggering when you put it that way. It completely reframes the entire object.
It really does. But, and here's the tension we're going to unpack today. When we think about the people responsible for fixing these ruling supercomputers, what's the image that pops into your head? Be honest.
It's the grease monkey, isn't it? Even knowing what you just told me, we still have this, mental snapshot from 1985.
Totally.
A dimly lit garage, oil-stained overalls, a wrench, maybe a rag in the back pocket. We see it as blue-collar manual labor, or, let's be really honest here, a fallback plan for the kids who didn't get into a good college.
Exactly. And that gap between the reality of the machine and our perception of the job is the root of a massive economic crisis. We're looking at sources today, specifically a deep report by Charles Gosman from smarterwaytoapply.com that suggests the industry is short nearly 1 million technicians over the next few years.
A million.
And my big takeaway from reading this, the shortage isn't because the job is bad. It's because we are looking at it all wrong.
We really are. The reality check here is that today's technician isn't a mechanic in the traditional sense. They're systems engineers. They're managing a mobile data center. But nobody tells high schoolers that.
So I want to leave everyone with this thought, something to chew on. A modern car has 100 million lines of code. AI is getting really, really good at writing code. It can write software faster than we can. But AI cannot replace a sensor. It can't recalibrate a radar array in the rain. It cannot get its hands dirty.
Not yet, and not for a long, long time.
So when you really think about it, is the person with the wrench actually the only software engineer whose job is truly safe?